With a connection that goes back generations, Alterra and Diamondcorp come together as one powerhouse partnership to bring their experience and expertise to deliver Celeste condominiums. Located at the corner of George and Richmond, experience an inspiring new lifestyle in the heart of downtown Toronto, where contemporary architecture reaches new heights, where the city unfolds outside your front door, and where the sky is your neighborhood. Look up and admire the 40 stories of architectural wonder with stunning views of the city in all directions. Celeste is truly the height of elegance. Inset balconies provide the ultimate in privacy and comfort, while maintaining the uninterrupted facade of the slender tower. At street level, history defines the building's roots, with a heritage facade embraced by convenient retail and open public space. With its entrance tucked away on a tree-lined street, Celeste welcomes you. As the last significant redevelopment site on the block, Celeste represents an extraordinary opportunity to own a piece of Toronto's future. Live close to countless entertainment options and opportunity around every corner, including higher education institutions, the financial district, healthcare hub, and tech sector, all just steps away. Living at the core of the city connects you like never before. The King and Queen streetcars are practically outside your front door, and the King and Queen subway station are just a short stroll away. Celeste will also be just 300 meters from the Ontario Line subway station, featuring 15 new stations with service running every 90 seconds from Exhibition Place to Ontario Science Centre. Plus, with near-perfect connectivity scores, Celeste is front and center, putting you where you want to be in minutes. Residents will be steps away from Toronto's most prestigious post-secondary education institutions, including George Brown College, Ryerson, OCAD, and University of Toronto. Escape to an urban oasis of lush green spaces, multiple parks and trails, and a beach close by. And when it's time to socialize, take advantage of the city's most popular entertainment, shopping, and dining hotspots. Inside, choose from designer suites, each with their own private balcony to take in the incredible cityscape or lake views. Urban lifestyles demand urban convenience. At Celeste, you'll have access to over 18,000 square feet of amenity space, designed to cater to your lifestyle from top to bottom and everywhere in between. Celeste's highlight is the 40th floor rooftop. Inside, you'll find the Celeste Sky Lounge, a wired co-working space by day, and a sophisticated lounge by night. Step outside to a true rooftop terrace with work areas with views of the lake, loungers for stargazing, and fire pits for gathering. Discover a higher love for downtown living, where the sky's the limit. Celeste Condominiums.